Have you been wondering how you can create Gmail account without using your phone number? If yes, then you're watching the right video. Because in my video today, I'm going to be showing the step-by-step process on how you can create Gmail account without using your phone number at all. Yes, you heard me right. You can create multiple Gmail accounts on your smartphone without even using any phone number. So just watch this video to the very end to get the full information. And if you like the information about to get, guys, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. On my channel here, I create videos like this to help you solve any problem you have online. So all you need to do is click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be first to get notified, okay? So guys, let's jump right into how you can create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number. Alright, so what you want to do if you want to open a new Gmail without using any phone number, you have to very first of all go to the Gmail app, click on it. Okay, so once you're here, you have to click on this icon over here, this T icon. However, yours might not be showing T, it might show any other alphabet. So all you need to do, is to what? Click on it. And as you can see, these are most of my mails which I opened without even any phone number. These are the mails I opened without any phone number. But if you want to do yours, click on add accounts, add another account. Then I click on Google. So just allow you to load and unlock it. Either with your PIN or your fingerprint or probably Face ID, depending on the phone you are using. You can either use your PIN, Face ID, or passcode. So now, once you're here, what you're going to do right now, instead of signing in, you click on Create Account for my personal use. And then just put in any name. Let's put the name as Create Accounts. Then click on Next. So now you can put in your date of birth, second, just anything at all. Let's go with 2000. Then gender, I'm a male, obviously. Then click on Next. So now, what is my username? I can just go with create account now. Create account now at gmail.com. Next, let me see. Okay, it's been taken. We want to create account 1, 2, 3. Okay, it says it's not allowed. Let me just go with smart tips now. Wow, it's taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that one has been accepted. So now we have to put our password. Let me just go with this. Click on Next. Okay, I should add a mixture of both alphabet, number, and this. Okay, I'll just put in the same password and add 1, 2, 3, then add this. Okay, now it says here Google add phone number. For example, your number will be used to reset your password, receive video calls, and the rest of them. So scroll down. Now, instead of me clicking yes, I'm in, I'll click on skip because I don't want to add my phone number. I'll click on skip. Can you see it? Then I click on, it says review your account. You can use this email address to sign in later. I click on next. Scroll down, I click on I agree. I agree. So guys, can you see as it's really loading these Google services, it means my account has been created already. Just wait, I'm also going to open a new Gmail account on this platform right here. So you can see my video, I opened 2 accounts without any number at all, okay? So guys, as you can see here in my Gmail, this is the create account that I just did, smarttips1234@gmail.com. This is the account right here, can you see it? And I created it without using any number. And now, this same method I showed you, I will use the gateway with another number right now in this video. So you can see I can create multiple Gmail accounts without using any number. What I'm going to write is fasten this process. So because you guys already know the method, okay? Create account for my personal use. The name should be create something. Next. So I'm just putting it in. Next tomorrow, let me just use 1989. Then male. Can use any gender you want to use. Okay, see, it's even helped me generated this. I'll just choose this C something 893. Let's click on that. Then my password should still be, let's go with this. Scroll down, add phone number. Can you see? I can also skip it. I click on skip, click on next, scroll down, click on I agree. And it's really loading these Google services. Now, what I'm going to do right now is just to minimize this, swipe it off, go to my Gmail, click on this, scroll down. Can you see it? This is the very first one. Create account, which is smart tips from now 1 to 3. This second one, see something 893. So currently I'm in the smart tips now 1 to 3 for gmail.com. And can you see there is no mail here? There is no mail here. Now let me go to the other one. The other one I created. See something 983. Okay. This is it also. There is no mail here to show you that this is a new mail. So guys, if this method worked for you, kindly give the video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and turn on the bell notification icon for more videos like this. So guys, I've shown you the step-by-step process on how you can create Gmail account without using any phone number. And I'm sure this is going to work for you. And if you need, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.